Hmm. Good morning, students. Today, again, we explain the new topic of surface chemistry, that is the types of solution. In here, the solution is classified in three types. First is a true solution, second is a colloid solution, and third is suspension. What is by true solution? True solution, that is types of the solution where the solute size is less than the 1 nanometer, and this solute is mixed together and it will form the homogeneous mixture. That homogeneous mixture where the solute particle can be easily filtered through the filter paper, and it cannot be seen by the microscope. So that type of the solution, that is called the true solution. Next is a, just like we have the one example. Suppose when we take the water and we added some amount of the salt or the sugar, then we will find that we cannot see the salt solution or the sugar solution. If we filter the solution, then it can be easily filtered. So that type of the solution, that is called the true solution. Second, we have the suspension. What is meant by the suspension? Suspension, that is a type of the solution where the solute, their size is larger than the 1000 nanometer, and it is from the heterogeneous mixture where the solute size can be easily settled in their bottom. It cannot be filtered through the filter paper and it can be seen by naked eye. Just like suppose when we take the water and we add some amount of the sand, then we observe that the sand is sediment in their bottom. Their size is larger than the 100 nanometer. It can be easily seen by the naked eye, and the solid particle cannot filter through the filter paper. So that is the type of the suspension. And next we have the colloid solution. Colloid solution, that is a type of the solution which is intermediate between the true solution and suspension. In here, the solute size is less than more than the 1 nanometer, but the less than the 1000 nanometer. But that means it solute particle, their diameter is between the 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. It is from the heterogeneous, intermediate between the heterogeneous and homogeneous. That means it from the, just like the paste type of the solution. Here their solute particle cannot be seen by the naked eye but can be seen by the microscopes, and their solute particle is partially filtered through the filter paper. So that type of the solution, that is calculated. Just like suppose you have the gum, you have the glycerin. So that is the example of the colloid solution where if we take the gum or the glycerin in the filter paper, then it have a gummy in nature. It can be cannot filter through filter paper. Some part are filtered, some are not, and their particle is cannot be seen by the naked eye but seen by the microscope. So that is that the third type of the solution, that is called the colloid. In here we are only study the colloid solution. Colloid solution having the two different phase, are those two different component. One is called a dispersed phase and second dispersion medium. What is meant by the dispersed phase? Just like solute particle. Solute particle which dissolve in the any solution and any solvent and form the solution. Same, the dispersed phase, it is a substance which dispersed a very fine particle, that is called the dispersed phase, just like the solute. And dispersion medium, it is substance present in large amount where the dispersed phase it dissolve and form the colloid solution, that is called the dispersion medium. So in here it have the two component, one is a dispersed phase and the second dispersion medium. And according to the dispersed phase and dispersion medium, it is classified in this type. First we, it is actually called the solid, that is short form of the solution, है ना. First we have the solid sol, solid solid, just like suppose dispersed phase is a solid and medium is also solid, that is called the solid solid, just like the colored green gemstone. Second, sol, that means solution, where the dispersed phase is a solid and dispersion medium is liquid, just like the paint. We have the third type, that is called the aerosol. Aerosol, that means aero means air, sol means the solution. That means the solid particle is dispersed phase and medium is a gas. That means that is called the aerosol. That means the air is gas is present in large amount and solid is present in the small amount. Gel, gel, that is opposite, where the liquid is present in the dispersed phase and solid is a dispersion, just like the cheese or the jellies. Emulsion, emulsion, that means the two immiscible liquid, one is the dispersed phase and another is dispersion medium, just like the hair cream or the milk, that is called the emulsion. Next is called the aerosol, where aerosol in here, just like the first, we have the aerosol, that is a solid in gas. Just like in second, suppose the dispersed phase is a liquid and medium is a gas. Just like the moisture, fog, or the cloud. We have the solid salt. Just like dispersed phase is a gas and medium is a solid. Just like the foam rubber or the pumice stone. We have the next, that is a the foam. Foam, that means it have the dispersed phase is a gas and medium is a liquid, just like the whipped cream. So that are the nine type of the classification according to the different phase of the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Next we have the classify the solution in two type according to attraction force, that is called the leophilic and leophobic. Leophilic, that is solvent loving solution, and leophobic, that is solvent hating. Leophobic, that means solvent hating solution. Leophilic, that means the solvent loving solution. So in here we have the first, that is the leophobic. Leophobic means solvent hating solution. These are these colloids are liquid hating solution. In this colloid, the particle of dispersed side have the no affinity for the dispersion, that means they cannot easily dissolve. They are generally unstable. They can prepare by the mixing substance directly. They need stabilizing agent for their prevention and preservation, and they are irreversible solid. Just like we have the mixture of the oil and water, that is the example of the leophobic solution. But the leophilic solution, that is a solvent loving solution. That means the solute can easily dissolve in the solvent and form the solution. That means these are the liquid loving solution. The particle of dispersed phase have high great affinity for the dispersion medium. They are generally stable. They cannot they cannot be prepared by mixing substrate direct. They are prepared by only by special method, and they do not need any stabilizing agent for their prevention, and they are reversible soil. Just like suppose you are prepare the solution of the gum, so that is called that are the classification of the solution, which are classified according to the attraction force. Next slide, we again prepare the classification of the colloid solution on the basis of type of particle of the dispersion phase. Thank you.